Most of you answered this as D. C trap means combination trap. If I combine, I'll surely get the answer. C means which answer is C? Please check. C means what as an answer choice? Combination. So combination trap. That means if I combine, I'll surely get the answer. Do I need to combine? But I don't need to combine. That's the point here. Okay, let's see. Is Z an even number? This is the big difference that I'm trying to tell you. This question can be called a 200 level problem because it is so easy, or this can be called an 800 level problem because everyone goes wrong in it. Let's see why. I am not sure how to approach it. The GMAT does not designate levels as per its own wish. That is why it puts experimental questions and so on. Normally in math, we have been told that if 5 into something Z is even, obviously that means Z has to be even or odd. This is this. Odd into something has to be even, so the value has to be even. Z has to. But the problem is we have missed certain thing here. Let's see. What is even, Z or 5Z? So if I say 5Z is equal to 2, suppose, what will be Z? It's a fraction, so not even an even number. But if I say 5Z is equal to 10, then Z would have been equal to 2, which is even. Now suddenly I find something that I would not have ever cared about. I would not have cared about the fact that Z is an integer or not, but now I know 1 is not enough, not sufficient. Similarly, I can write 3Z is equal to 2, so Z would have been equal to 2 by 3, which is a fraction. Fractions are neither integers nor even nor odd nor prime nor composite, nothing. We don't really use those terms. So 3Z is equal to 6, suppose. So I would have got Z is equal to 2, which is even. Again, this kind of dilemma you would never have seen in math. That's why it's not a math problem, it's a DS problem. Quant and PS and DS differ in a big way. Mathematically, what you thought was not wrong. Data sufficiency expects you to be very precise with things. Otherwise, a child can also solve this problem. Now, what do you say? First is not sufficient, second is also not sufficient. Now, if I combine the two, what is the next thing that I should try? Combine or no? Let's try to combine and say, okay, 5Z is even, 3Z is even. If you subtract these two or add these two, whatever, they will always be even. So let's subtract and say 5Z minus 3Z, 2Z is even minus even is. So Z will be even by, which is integer or fraction? Any even number by 2 is always. Now imagine by a combination of these two, I have got Z is integer. If Z is an integer, which integer will it be? Even or odd? Think about it. Which integer can it be? Even or odd? Because I have to satisfy 5 into something is even and 3 into something is even. This has to be satisfied. So if Z is an integer, which integer? Even or odd? 5 into odd will never give me an even number. 3 into odd will never give me an even number. So what do I get from here? If Z is an integer, Z must be. So by combining, I am absolutely sure that Z is even, and my answer for this is C. Something that most of us do not really pay attention to. And it's not that it's a tough problem or easy problem, but GMAT, out of 1000 people, only 2 or 3 will get it right. So it is a 99.5 level, 99.5 percentile level problem. Unless you are scoring very well, you will not get such a question. But this is the logic behind it.